In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view full screen in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data for work, school, or just keeping track of your own projects, sometimes you need that extra bit of screen space to really see everything clearly. So let's dive into how you can maximize your viewing area efficiently. First off, let's talk about the standard way to view your Google Sheet in full screen. You'll want to start by heading to the menu bar at the top of your Google Sheets interface. Find and click on View, which is located between Insert and Format on the menu list. Once you click on View, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, simply select Full Screen. By doing this, you'll remove all toolbars and menus within the Google Sheets window itself, allowing you to focus entirely on your spreadsheet without distraction. This is a great way to get an unobstructed view and control over your data while still having quick access to other browser features if needed. Now, if you are seeking a truly immersive experience, and I mean completely full screen, you'll want to eliminate anything outside of the Google Sheets window as well, such as your browser tabs or even the Windows taskbar. This is especially useful if you're presenting data to others or just prefer working without visual clutter. For this step, it's really quite simple. Just press the F11 key on your keyboard. This quick shortcut engages your browser's full screen mode, giving you an entirely clear view, as if no other applications existed. Once you're in full screen mode, you might want to linger there and enjoy the enhanced visibility for a while. However, when it's time to return to your usual setup, exiting full screen is just as simple and quick. If you've enabled the Google Sheets full screen mode via the View options, pressing the Escape key once will revert to the standard view, bringing back the toolbars and menus around your document. But let's say you're in your browser's full screen mode, having pressed F11 earlier. To exit this state and bring back your tabs and taskbar, you can again press the F11 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can hold the Escape key until your familiar interface reappears, allowing you to effortlessly switch between your spreadsheet and other tasks. And there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps to viewing your Google Sheets in full screen. With these tricks, you can toggle between standard and immersive modes to suit whatever task you're tackling. By making the most of your screen space, you'll find it easier to manage and present your data without any distractions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.